As we wrap up this module, let's reflect on what we've covered. We've explored neural networks, a cornerstone of modern AI that mimics the human brain to solve complex problems. From understanding the structure of neural networks to setting up, training, and evaluating them, you've gained hands-on experience with one of AI's most influential technologies. We began by exploring the layers within a neural network: input, hidden, and output, and how they work together to process data and make predictions. You learned how these layers transform raw input into meaningful output through feed-forward and backpropagation, and hopefully built an initial idea about choosing how many layers to use. Then we introduced the MNIST dataset and guided you through building your first artificial neural network. You've now seen how to prepare data, define a model, and train a network to recognize handwritten digits. We went on to discuss the importance of validation and testing. Understanding how to assess your model's performance on unseen data and using tools such as confusion matrices will be crucial as you apply these skills in real-world scenarios, because it's highly unlikely that all will go right from the start, and we must be able to identify and fix problems. This is just the beginning. The principles you've learnt here are foundational, opening the door to more advanced neural networks and AI techniques. Whether you're looking to explore further or apply these skills in practical projects, you now have the tools to make a good start. In the next module, we'll explore more models.